So here at Mazak Megastir, we've developed a new technology called friction bit joining. Now in the automotive industry and other industries, they're developing higher strength steels that can be used to make the vehicle lighter, or in other instances, weld aluminum to steel, all for the purpose of making a lighter vehicle and more fuel efficient. Because the process is a solid state joining process, you can weld materials in configurations that could never be done before. So with friction bit joining, for the first time, you can add these ultra-high strength steels and also the ability to weld aluminum to steel to your design. And along with this, friction stir welding allows you to join materials with an adhesive and allow that to be used on the cars as well. To implement this into someone's factory, we at Mazak Megastir produce an end effector and also the bits that will allow you to add this technology onto a robot or something very similar. And so with friction bit joining, it's an all-around better process, higher strength, and just a better weld.